All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, new tools. All right, first off, Milwaukee sent me this, so we're going to get it out of the way. Their new tire buffer. So I'm waiting for the attachments to come in, but we'll do a review on this. I know it's kind of shop equipment, but we're going to talk about it. New tool from Milwaukee, so. All right, so I haven't done one of these in a while. Everything else I bought, so not sponsored by anything else. But I haven't done one of these, and I was like, I got a bunch of tools I bought that I haven't talked about. Most of them aren't worthy of a review, just day-to-day stuff, so figured I'd show you what I've got. All right, first off, Matco, a belt tool. Now, this is just a standard belt tool. The reason I bought this, I already own one. It sits up on top of that hutch so I can turn my fan on. Summer's coming, so I went ahead and got one so I can keep it in my roll cart and not have to go over to my hutch, pull it off, put the belt on and put it back. So I got a second one. This is a little 3-donger, so it's already come in handy. Next up is from Matco, their new oil filter pliers. Part number is OFAAM. These are very similar to the PYZ pliers from Snap-on in the fact that all you got to do is push on this and it applies pressure. You don't have to squeeze it. You push there, it holds it tight. The only problem I've had with these is, well, fitting them. That's the big issue, is they're big. You got to pull it out, clamp it on, and then you know, hold tight and twist. Obviously the other way, but they're good when they can get them in there. That's the issue, is sometimes they just don't fit. Next up is also from Matco. It is part number MPT 10052R. It is for some of the Explorers, some of the Focuses, where you can't really get to the coolant reservoir to pressure test without taking the cowl off. It sucks taking the cowl off, so save you a little bit of time. The adapter is the same, you know, but it comes in handy. All right, next up from Matco, and I know Matco doesn't make any of this stuff, so save it in the comments. MD867 Master Bypass Relay Kit. Now, one of my relay jumper with the switch on them disappeared for some reason. I might have left it under the hood. I don't know. But anyway, I bought this kit. Same deal. We've got an extension though. Oops. Multiple relay adapters. Yes, I know you can use a jumper or, you know, whatever, but sometimes it comes in handy. But it comes with an extension and a switch. Now, I have not had the opportunity to use it, obviously, because you can tell, because I haven't actually taken it out, but should come in handy. The nice thing though is I can modify it and put an amp clamp on it. So help me do some waveform testing on fuel pumps, stuff like that. Good little kit. I'm sure I will put it to use, if nothing else, to replace the one that was missing. Yeah, I know I could buy it, but new tool. All right, from Mac Tools, drill bits. You can never have enough drill bits. Now, I love the Matco Hyperstep drill bits, but one of the issues is when you're drilling into a blind hole and you're trying to put a helicoil or something like that into it, you got a conical tip at the end that you probably have to take another drill bit and round out so you can do the helicoil or the time cert. So I bought these. Again, you can never have enough drill bits. And the nice thing about these is all of them are 100% warranted. As, well, Cole, who used one of them, or two of them, and broke them, got them warranted for me. But excellent drill bits, just another set of drill bits in the toolbox. On that note, a brass automatic center punch from Mac. Part number is CP50 because, well, because my other center punch decided to, well, die. You push it, it works sometimes it just nothing. It was a cheapie. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I was trying to remove a broken fastener. If you remember that Dodge truck, wound up getting an exhaust manifold because it was so badly warped that broke one of the bolts trying to install it, and used my sometimes working automatic center punch to turn it out. It wasn't cross-threaded, it was just broke. Got it out, but it took way longer than it should have, so got a new center punch. Last one's from, well, Amazon. And I have one more of these on order. As everybody said in my video about this tool, Vim makes a kit. Yeah, I know, it was already ordered before that video went live. I also have the longer version coming, back order, but brass tip, plastic tip, and aluminum tip air hammer bits. So you can hit stuff without damaging it. Snap-on also has a kit, but I don't have a Snap-on dealer, so still don't have a Snap-on dealer. So I hope you like my new tools. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.